Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to create a contact group in Gmail. So to do that, we will need to use our browsing system. So open your browser and type Google Contacts. Open this page, Google Contacts, and log into your account. Then from the list of your contacts, you need to select the contact you want to include to your group email. Simply mark it like this. Okay, so 3 contacts I think will be enough to show you, and once you have selected them, you need to tap this label icon and then press create new label and give a name to your label, for example reset, and press save button. Now you see that we have created this label, and if you go to the menu right here, scroll down, you will see this label that we have just created. So basically we have created the Gmail group, and now when you will compose an email, in the to field you need to type the name of your label and select it, and then compose the rest of your email. So that's how you can create a contact group in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.